Hello and welcome back, guys. In today's video I would like to address an issue with my recently purchased boxing bag. The problem I'm facing is that the hook I installed right here isn't strong enough. The problem is easily visualized when I hang some weight on the bag. Therefore, I would like to make a brace that has some more strength. To reach the wanted strength, I have picked out the necessary materials. I will be using 12mm bar stock as well as 50 by 10mm flat steel. To illustrate the design, I will be making a quick drawing. The first step of the fabrication process is to mark the 4 holes in the corners. The proceeding step is to mark the drill location with this sharp point. These indentations will help the drill go in the correct location. The last individual part I will have to make before joining them together is this latch right here. After bending this latch, I just need to make sure that these 2 faces are in line with each other. To stick these 2 pieces of metal together, I will be TIG welding. Now that it has been fully welded, I'm ready to try it out. And before anyone says anything, I know these welds aren't very pretty, but welding around small objects is not really my thing. I have now successfully mounted the brace to this roof beam, and it shouldn't be able to move anywhere. It is pretty obvious that this configuration is much stronger and safer. And to showcase it furthermore, here is a before and after. I would also really like to show you how strong this actually is. And just for info, I weigh 96 kilograms. So it's pretty strong. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, even though it was rather short. And if you found it informing or helpful, please throw a like, subscribe, and write any suggestions in the comments. See you later, guys!